All right, Chris is going to try, what is that called?
The All-American.
The All-American.
Without tomato.
Without tomato.
And hash brown, bacon, 2 eggs, and a patty. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
All right, Liz has the...
Upton Morgan.
Yeah. Good morning, Morgan.
Good morning, Morgan. Hash brown, tomato, frittata.
Donkey sauce. Maple donkey sauce.
All right, and I'm going to cut it in half.
Because it's not a sandwich or anything. All right, take a bite. Like a sandwich. Let's see what it tastes like. Good. Well, there you go. That's the new guy's breakfast on the Carnival Sunrise.
We are going to go off the ship in Nassau.
Off the ship in Nassau?
So, today is our first day
In port.
in port.
Which is weird because we normally have a sea day.
Yeah, we got on the ship yesterday.
Yeah, it's a 5-day cruise, but we normally, we're just used to 6 and 7s, I guess, and we got a sea day then to port, so got on the boat, got out at 4 o'clock, and woke up and like, oh crap, Nassau, forgot about that. So we're in Nassau today on the Sunrise.
Yep.
Yes, today was fun, actually. We did a quick little live. The weather was windy.
Oh, it
to
was
say the
rocky.
least, yeah.
It was rocky.
I mean, it was, because you guys imagine going from Miami to Nassau, they're not going top speed, so we were rocking and rolling with every swell. And if you could hear that,
Ship horn.
it's not me farting, they're doing drills. So yeah, they're doing their mandatory drills today, but Yesterday was actually quite fun.
Yeah, what did we do? I don't even remember. I drank too much.
Yeah, she drank way too much.
Yeah, we spent time in the casino. We
carried
had
her
pizza.
to pizza and carried her back.
Yeah.
Pizza was good though.
Today will be a light day.
Yep. Yep. But yeah, we just hung around the casino, chilled out for the day. It was fun.
We met our room steward, Sunny.
Oh yeah, Sunny is amazing.
She is awesome.
We saw Carlos.
Oh, Carlos.
Couple times.
Yes, he surprised us.
Yes, that was very cool.
Yeah.
We were just walking around, before everybody got on. And of course, we're gonna go see what the casino looks like, and we see Carlos just sitting there on his laptop, and we're like, Carlos! He's like, what? Apparently, they threw him out of his room, and he's like, I'm homeless right now. So he called Troy, and Troy's like, no, you have a room. Just step out of that one. Here comes the announcements.
Carnival Sunrise, the drill is now over. Any future alarms and announcements should be treated as real events unless otherwise indicated. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you back on board at 4:30 p.m. and no later than that.
We're on board.
We're on board. We got off. So that was yesterday.
Yep.
We got up pretty early today,
Yeah, kind of.
and we went to Guy's for breakfast.
Yes, the guy's breakfast. It was pretty good, actually.
Our first,
Definitely different.
Yeah,
I normally have burgers for breakfast, but I had a burger with eggs and the hash brown, bacon, and I got a maple donkey sauce for breakfast, which is delicious.
I had a frittata
Yep.
with a hash brown and tomato.
Okay. Then we went to Java Blue, which is different on this boat. It's actually like a actual cafe. It's not open or in the hallway.
I think it was a library or something before.
Yeah.
It was something else because it's inside. Like you can shut the door and go in Java Blue.
Yep, really cool. And something else cool they have now, and it is a plastic cup. So they actually reuse them now instead of disposable cups. So I thought that was pretty cool. And the lids, if you've ever had the coffee where you take that first sip and it turns to mush in your mouth, these are actually still solid. So pretty cool.
Yeah, it was pretty cool. And then, so what did we do? Then so after breakfast, we went to get off the ship.
Yep, just walked around the port. And like the last time we were here, it was slower. There's 5 ships here today, and there's a storm out there, so maybe 1 got redirected or 2 got redirected. Don't know, but it is packed.
Yeah.
And as our friend Scott calls them, the dogs are out. So last time you weren't getting hounded in the port, inside the gates for ATV tours, dolphins tours, this, that, and the other. Now they're out there, hardcore.
I think when they meant the dogs are out, they meant for sniffing marijuana.
Well, they failed on that too. I was on a balcony last night. Might as well been in a club. It was loud. All you smell is cigar and weed and music. I'm like, I'm sitting on my balcony at 11:30 at night. What the? But anyway, some people are hills.
So now we're back on the ship. We did a couple videos so far. We're gonna get some content, do some yakities, and then
while everybody's in port,
we've got our live at 5 and Steakhouse at 6:30.
Yep. So.
And it's elegant night.
Slacks.
We will dress up today.
Yep. But anyway, just quick recap of the day so far.
So we'll see you later. One of the best things at being at sea is you get ice cream and on your balcony.
So does Liz. All right, Tanya. Here is Liz getting a drink she's never had, as promised, with your super chat. And what'd you get, Liz?
Tropical Mule.
All right. Here we go.
Sorry.
If it's not vodka soda, she doesn't like it. Take a second sip, just to be sure. Well, we tried.
I'll drink it just for you, though.
Thank you again.
honey. We are here at the Steakhouse.
Package also like a cheers burger. Oh my god, your butter is amazing. And they keep ordering butter.
Bottled water.
I was thinking Crystal Geyser myself. But
This one is more high class.
Okay,
all right.
fancy
That's not that
water.
That'll be right.
All right, thank you.
Well, cheers on the water, honey.
I was not recording most of that, but whatever. Cheers! Cheers to fancy water. So we are here in the Steakhouse.
Tastes like water.
It is good, actually. Fancy water it is. And we are gonna have our starters. And this is on the casino. Very nice. All right, a little mini burger.
So they're talking about cutbacks. This is a burger. This is the appetizer.
It's a pre-appetizer.
Look at that. Perfectly cooked on a mini burger.
Good?
That's delicious.
Awesome.